Do you find yourself hesitating to take that next step in your career? Are fear and uncertainty preventing you from achieving the fullest potential? Introducing the powerful fear setting technique inspired by Tim Ferriss. In just a few simple steps, you will learn how to confront your fears head on, analyze their impact, and create an action plan to overcome them. Imagine a life where fear no longer holds you back. I'm Vijay Srinivasan, founder of Mindset Mastery Coaching. My mission is to empower working professionals like you through mindset mastery. I'm the creator of Live Limitless Formula and Limitless Growth Challenge as well. I'm conducting a live workshop on fear setting technique on February 11th at 11 a.m. By attending the workshop, you will gain practical tools to conquer your fears, boost your confidence, and propel your growth. Are you ready to break free from fear? Join us for this transformative workshop. Click on the link given below to register now. Bye bye.